Hey Curly Teas, today we're making an AHA serum containing 3.5% glycolic acid. As a side note, I'm also repurposing another one of those great pump bottles from COSRX. For this first step, use Nature Silk or glycerin. I prefer Nature Silk. Among other things, Nature Silk is a solubilizer for ingredients that are hard to incorporate into products. Glycolic acid isn't difficult per se, but it's become a habit of mine to use Nature Silk with active ingredients or special additives.
Please pay attention to the notes on the screen and pause the video if necessary.
I printed my own notes on sticker paper and attached them directly to the bottle, so they would always be right in front of my face, reminding me of what to do and what not to do. Do your own research before using glycolic acid. There are many stipulations associated with glycolic acid. For example, do not neutralize it to a pH of 7. AHA needs to be around a pH of 3.5 to be most effective according to online sources. The supplier says anywhere from 3.5 to 5 is okay. To be safe, have water, a bunch of paper towels, or a regular towel at arm's reach, just in case of a spill. Use a pipette. Do not try to pour this directly from the bottle. This is a 70% solution of glycolic acid. Remember to repurpose any great empty bottles you have already. Use a funnel with a small opening or, better yet, a cosmetic syringe to add your serum into the bottle. Use this serum before bed or at night. AHAs make your skin sensitive to the sun. I hope you enjoyed this mix. Now, this is not the percentage of AHA that I am used to. I normally like around a 10 or a 12, but this should be okay for people with sensitive skin. Try it out. Make sure you are not having any type of allergic reactions or any type of increased sensitivities to this. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including full ingredients lists, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at patreon.com if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.